Hi everyone! I have a little project sharing tutorial to share with you guys. I received a package from BeeBeeCrafts.com. They sent these items to me, so I'm going to show you what I've been making with them. I did a previous video where I showed these little like flower centers. So this was my initial thought, was to make them into like little flower centers. I love how that came out, but then it looked really cute on this bead as a bead cap as well. So we have that one. Of course, I had to do some beatable pins with these. These came out so cute. I love this large little heart right there. I think these just came out absolutely adorable. So we have those. Love those little rhinestone balls as well. I wanted to zoom out a little bit for you guys so you guys can see everything in frame here. Then, of course, I had to do a Pokie tool because they're just my jam. I love Pokie tools and beatable pins. Then I did these little dangles right here. So basically everything came from BeeBeeCrafts. From the little Lobster Claps to here is the little rose bead they sent me. Here is that bow charm they sent me. These tiny little red beads are from this haul. Let's see. It's from this pack. Then these little gold balls they just sent me. And then this one I got from them back at Christmas time. So, oh, and then the little heart charm came from them from this haul. So literally everything made for this one came from BeeBeeCrafts. So we have that little dangle. Same thing with this one. All of these items came from BeeBeeCrafts as well. So I did another little dangle. You can see they're multi-pieces. So this bow is one piece. This rose is one piece. Then this little charm is one piece. And then we have the little dangle there. Have another one right here, using the little clay bits that they sent in this recent haul. And then I did these that are kind of just more like a stiffer little charm, which we will go ahead and make today. I love these big old like chunky little bubblegum beads. And then here is another one. So again, for this one, everything came from BeeBeeCrafts, the little Lobster Claps. Here's some of those clay bits. This was from a previous haul from them. Here are the little hearts from them from this time. There's a little word, love, that came. And as you can see, I used it right here on this beatable pin as well. Another clay bit, and then again, that same little heart. So we are going to go ahead and create one today. So you're going to need your wire, which they do sell on their website in case you're interested and just want to buy everything all at one stop shop. You could go ahead and do that. They do free shipping if you spend $25. Shipping takes about 2 weeks to receive. And I'll leave a link to all of these products. I'll link their website. I do have a coupon code with them that is Nicole10. That will save you 10% off of your purchase. So we're just going to take a piece of wire. Let me see. I'll give you the exact measurement, but I usually just eyeball it and guess. Yeah, so I usually try to do it about 6 inches. It was just a little bit short, but that's okay. We will just go ahead and work with it. But yeah, I usually try to like guess about 6 inches and then cut my wire. So I'm just going to go ahead and roll it down about 3 times. I feel like usually keeps it nice and secure there. Okay, so I went ahead and I picked out my beads. So I always start with what's going to be my center little focal point. So I chose this bead. I love it. It's so cool. It's like a bead within a bead. So, and then after that, you're going to need 2 of each because one for the top, one for the bottom. So let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and put my gold little bead on. Then I'm going to do this tiny little pink bead, which I love this pack that it came in. Like, look at the variety of colors. Love that. And this was, what, $2.11. Like, you cannot beat that price. So I love that set. Then I'm going to do, I'll do one of these flatter gold disc basers. So we're going to put that on. Then I'm going to put a little heart. Then I'm going to put this flat little gold disc spacer. We're going to do this one. It kind of reminds me of like a ribbon, a little like ruffle ribbon. I think it's really pretty. And this one came in a whole range of colors as well. So you can see that these match very, very well together. Even the little love beads came in a whole variety. So all of it just matches and coordinates so pretty. You know what? I forgot to put another little spacer. So we're going to do another little gold bead. Then we're going to put this one on. See, that way it just kind of like gives it a little bit of space in between those two flat ones. I'm going to do my little center bead. Then we're going to repeat the exact same thing that we did down here. We're going to repeat it on top. So you can just literally follow it. So there's our pink one, our gold one. I'm going to do this one. So normally I would follow like the way this looks, but I like how this looks. I like how this flatter one goes to the bottom of the heart. So I'm gonna go a little bit out of order there. Put that one on. We're gonna put our flat one, then our pink one, and then we're going to do our gold. And then you can see I have too much wire on here. So I usually do about like my thumb, and then I'll cut it off. So we're going to cut off that extra wire there. Then we're going to do the same thing and just go ahead and roll our wire on down to our base. So there we go. We have our little bead dangle. And then we could go ahead and add our jump ring with our lobster claps and then do our little heart. We did on this one. And you can see this one's a lot smaller. So this still looks really cute. You know, you could do a large one or a shorter one. And then with this one, see I have a little bit extra piece. I save these and then I'll find a bead that fits. So I'm going to see if this heart bead will fit on there. If not, we could probably use one of the clay ones. That might work. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to roll this one down and then we're going to see about how much room do we have. That's going to be too short for that one. So I'm probably going to end up using one of these clay pieces. So even though you have spare wire, don't throw it away. I'm sure you have a bead somewhere in your stash that will work. Or you know what? Even putting like 3 of these would be cute too. Let's see. That one's actually going to fit perfect. So we're going to just go ahead and go with it and use our little clay one. I mean, you could just throw this piece away and it's okay to just go ahead and throw it away. But I'm like, I have the, you know, the wire, I have the bead. So just went ahead and made an extra little charm there. So that's usually how I work on things, you know, when I'm doing these like little bead dangles. So there's a quick little tutorial for you guys. If you guys have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm more than happy to help you guys out. And like I said, I'll leave a link down below to all of these products. I'll leave my little coupon code. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.